Hey people, what's going on? Hope you're well. Welcome to another episode of Road to Empire podcast. Today we're going to talk a little bit about cryptocurrencies, right? Now, I'm not an expert in cryptocurrency and I don't provide financial advice, but I'm just going to share some opinions in terms of what I have seen recently. And always, if you are looking to invest in cryptocurrency, please be aware it's a volatile kind of exchange. So, do seek professional financial advice if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies. But recently, I've started to explore more about cryptocurrency. I mean, I was one of those guys who didn't get into it until later. So, most people are aware of, for example, Bitcoin, which is one of the most amazing kind of coins out there, decentralized coins that have just, exponentially grew in value over the last decade. So for those individuals who got in early, many multi-millionaires were created. And just a couple of years ago, we saw the actual value rise to over $50,000. And obviously now that we're in a bear market, it's dropped. But there is rumors that a potential bull market is, potentially visible in the coming couple of years or so. But yeah, so cryptocurrencies are a volatile asset and they can really create, fortunes for people, or people can also lose fortunes. So I would suggest you do what I do and start to research and understand more about what these cryptocurrencies are. So I've been doing research and I'm now invested in over a dozen different crypto coins and tokens, right? Starting from things like the mainstream ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum and other altcoins like Shiba Inu, for example. So you can see here that the Shiba Inu coin, you can see the logo there of an animal on the right hand side. It's one of the coins that actually did really well a couple of years ago. So when it first got released, people came in and some people were able to make millions off it. However, recently it has lost some value, but it's slowly starting to pick up now with various rumors in terms of how it's developing. So the decentralized currency was created in August 2020, and this actual currency, like I said, it's based on an actual Japanese breed of dog, which is in the Chubu region, right? And that's what you'll see as a symbol of the actual coin itself. Okay, so now we're taking a look at what we call a website, CoinMarketCap. It's quite a famous website. It actually shows you quite a lot in regards to various elements of cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking here now at the last 24 hours, you can see that the Shiba Inu coin has shot up drastically. But here we also have options for 7 days, 1 month, and 3 months. So quarterly and year. So if you see on the 1 day mark, we can see how it's risen here. So you will see that the value is like, 0.000008876. So as you can imagine, it's quite low. And the chances of it getting to $1 or 0.1 cents are kind of low. However, if you were to buy at this stage and it did somehow get there with the announcement of the Shibarium and potential token burns that are going to be happening with the new developments taking place in the coming months, it could definitely increase in value. Once again, it's a volatile asset cryptocurrency, so you've got to do research to take a look at that. So if you look at the 7 day kind of graph here, you can see how it goes up and down, and then on the 1 month, again, you can see how it's basically gone up and down. Since it actually reached its highest level a couple of years ago, it has gone down significantly in comparison to that, but it started to rise again slowly. So it could be a coin that one needs to look at and keep an eye on. Definitely put on the watch list, right? So the coin market website itself, it basically gives you a full lowdown on all the different cryptocurrencies out there. So you'll see here basically So let's have a quick look at the top 20. So number 1 is Bitcoin. So you can see the price there has shot up again at the moment, $17,000 roughly at the moment. In the last hour, 24 hours and 7 days, you can see the trajectory's gone up. So last 7 days, so it dropped here, went up slightly, stabilized, dropped again, slightly up, stabilized, and then you can see a little bit of a sharp curve there. So you can see how that's gone up. Ethereum as well. So Ethereum is also gone up as well. So you can see some good gains here. And then you can see other coins like Tether, BNB, USD coin, XRP, Binance, which is famous exchange as well. Cardano is one to look out for. Dogecoin is one that Elon Musk talked about. So you can see here that one's also gone up as well. Quite a lot of them have actually gone up. Polygon, Solana, Litecoin. I've invested in Litecoin myself as well as Dogecoin and some other ones as well. If we go further down, at number 16, we've got Shiba Inu, which is the one that we were just talking about. And you can see the trajectory here, again, all green. So it has gone up again in the last hour and 24 hours and also 7 days as of today's recording. And then you can see the price there, and you can see on the map, on the graph here, how it's gone up. And on the coin market cap, you'll have a list of, on this one, you can see 100 different kinds of cryptocurrencies on here as we scroll down. So if you scroll further up, there is options here to basically change and have different information sets. So if you go where it says cryptocurrencies, and we scroll down to gainers and losers. So what this tells us now is the biggest gainers in the last 24 hours. So you can see here, these coins here have been the biggest gainers, right? So if I take it up slightly here, on the right hand side, you've got an option to increase the number of coins it shows and also the time frame. So if I change it to 30 days, that'll give me more of a sense of what's been happening in the last month or so. So this coin here, it's ranked to number 31 and LDO, and it's gone up by 82% in the last month, which is amazing. And then you've got the other coins here as well. You can see how they've increased in value over the last month. There's various coins on there. So CoinMarketCap is a really, really useful website. It allows you to kind of understand how cryptocurrencies are performing, and it's something that you can easily look at. It's free to use, so you can definitely check that out at any time that you feel so. Yeah, so as I've been discussing, I am going to basically start to make more videos around cryptocurrencies and around different decentralized coins and tokens, altcoins, stable coins, as my learning expands, and also kind of like, as I'm investing and seeing the differences. So like I said, myself personally, I've invested over a dozen different coins. So some of them I've mentioned, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. So I have got several thousands at the moment invested in cryptocurrency, and I'm basically learning to see and watch and learn more about the markets and in terms of volatility and development, and do my research and keeping a tab on those things. So there is a website that I basically use. It's called Coinbase. So you can see here, if you go on coinbase.com, you'll be able to learn more about different crypto elements. And you can even get some free crypto Bitcoin when you first sign up and you start to do your first trades. So once you've verified yourself, create a profile, you can check out the various coins on here. So there's different things here. It tells you about secure storage, insurance protection up to $250,000. Then you can see here quarterly volume traded is $159 billion, more than 100 countries supported, more than 108 million verified users. And then you can connect your bank account, start buying and selling on here. So please do check the link in the description. I do have my Coinbase referral link, so you can click the link in the description and you can check out Coinbase and see if it's something that you want to sign up for. But like I said, this video is for entertainment purposes. And if you ever, want to get involved in cryptocurrency, understand it's volatile kind of asset and trading platform. So, always seek professional advice. But potentially, people have become millionaires from cryptocurrencies. But you have to be wise and you have to be shrewd and you have to understand what you're actually doing before you start to jump in the deep end. But yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this session. Just having a quick overview of different platforms like CoinMarket and Coinbase, and having a look at coins like Shiba Inu and other coins as well. So if you are watching us on YouTube, please support the channel, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, let us know what you think. Have you invested in crypto? Let us know what you've invested in, and do click the notifications bell. If you're listening to the podcast, please do consider leaving a review. Catch you soon.